friends, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Gwyneth and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this easy heatless waves. And I used to do this technique back in high school. I feel like it's easier than the Dutch braid technique, and I do have a lot of heatless wave tutorials up on my channel, but I feel like this one's much more easier and beginner friendly. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and to follow me on all of my social media, which will be in the description box down below. And let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting off with damp hair. I just got out the shower and I let it dry a little bit. You don't want it too wet, or you could also use a spray bottle to dampen your hair. So I'm going to start off by using this Honest Conditioning Detangler just to detangle my hair. And I do have a hair care routine up on my channel that you guys can watch. Alright, so next I'm going to be using this Frieda Volume Lift Air Whipped Foam. This is a mousse, and I'm just going to use this to help kind of lock in the texture or add texture to my hair and kind of lock in the waves as well, because my hair does not hold a curl or a wave. So I'm going to put about this much. I usually tilt my head upside down and just add this in. I'm going to scrunch it in. So this technique is much easier than a regular Dutch braid or a regular braid. We're using 2 pieces instead of 3. So I'm going to start off by taking a 1/2 inch section at the top, like so, and then we're going to split it in 2. And then we're going to take the front section, put it behind the back, and then twist again so that that front piece is back at the front. And then next, we're going to take a 1/2 inch section, add it to that piece, and then put it behind. Take another piece, add it to that one, and put it behind once again. And we're just repeating that. And you also want to make sure that you're holding your hair pretty tightly and that your hands are close to your scalp so that the braid is tighter. And as you guys can see, the hair is kind of going back, and you will see like a little divot here. That's how you know you're doing it correctly. And then once we get to the end, we're not twisting that last piece we just grabbed just yet. We're going to be twisting both of these towards our face first. Hold on. Twisting it towards our face, and then we're going to twist them together because this is going to hold in the braid. And then we're just going to tie it off with a clear elastic. And it should look like that. And there's a few hairs sticking out just because I have layers in my hair. Once again, we're going to take a 1/2 inch section at the top, split it in 2, twist the front piece behind, and bring it back to the front. Take a section, add it to that piece, and then twist. So once we get to the end, we twist the pieces towards the face and then twist it together away from the face. That makes sense. And this is how the braids should look like. So you want to give this time to kind of dry as well as set in. So I'll be right back. All right, so it is now the next day. My hair looks a little crazy because I slept in it. But now we're just going to take out the braids. I've already taken out the elastics. It's stuck to my earring. So we're carefully just taking it out. You don't want to separate the ends too much just yet. My hair is stuck to my earrings. And then with like these pieces, you just want to separate them so they don't look like dreadlocks. Because you don't want to touch your hair too much. So now we're going to try to shake it out just to loosen the braids. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Lock-It Weather Control Hairspray and spray it all over my hair. Just like the hairspray, this is optional. I'm just suggesting a hairspray if you don't hold waves or curls very well like my hair does. But next we are going to be taking this Drybar Triple Sec 3-in-1 texturizing hairspray just to give it a little bit more texture. And I mean, if you guys liked a little bit of like shiny look to it, but I'm just going to add this to kind of subside that shininess and add some texture and volume. And then I'm just going to do this with my hair, if it does anything, just to help the product kind of work in as well. Just want to play with it. Alright guys, this is the completed hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it very easy to follow. And for those of you guys that haven't watched my last video, you guys can still use my discount code from Anna Luisa. They were kind enough to send me these pair of earrings and this beautiful necklace. So you guys can still use my code Gwyneth10 to receive 10% off the Anna Luisa website. So yeah, that is everything. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and to also give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!